Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Tab A11. So first, whenever you're in a call, then I would recommend checking the call volume using these side buttons on the right here. So we definitely want to check that first, but as you guys can see, we cannot change it right here. So whenever we go into the settings, then we won't be able to actually change our volume. So let's go over settings and I'll show it to you guys. Let's go to sounds and vibration. Now here to the volume. And as you guys can see, here we only have the ringtone, media, notifications, and the system volume. Of course, we also have the AI assistant and the alarm, but it doesn't matter right now. So as you guys can see, we cannot change the call volume in the settings. It's just not available for this device particularly. So you can only change it while being in a call. Now, what you guys want to do next is make sure to disable your Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices, because maybe you are connected to your headphones that you're not wearing, and that might cause the interference between both of the devices. So you don't have the sound during the calls, and you also have no headphones with you. So that means your headphones are getting the sound, but you don't. And that's what we want to do. We basically want to disable the Bluetooth to make sure that it does not happen. So as you guys can see, let's click on the Bluetooth here. My Bluetooth is already turned off, but if you see it turned on like that, and you see that some devices are either connected or paired with it, then I would recommend disabling it, because it's the best way to fix that issue. Now, what you guys want to do next is clean the speaker grills with a soft brush. So you need to find your speaker grills. As you guys can see, here we have the tablet. Here is the first one right up top, and at the bottom close to the charging port we have the second one. So this is what we want to clean, and after we clean that, we can test if everything works now with another call or a different app to see if the issue is app specific or maybe it's for every app right here. So here we have the phone app. You guys can try it out here, and if it doesn't work, then you guys can try and switch to, let's say, WhatsApp and call somebody on WhatsApp or any other platform that you can make calls on to see if the issue still persists. Now, what you guys want to do next is restart the tablet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold the power button, and here we just click on restart, but you guys can also go into the the control center, and here click the power button. It's the same. Now we click restart and tap again to restart the tablet. So I'll see you guys once the tablet is fully restarted. So as you guys can see, our tablet just restarted. Now we can easily unlock it. We can enter our password if we have one, and now we have a notification that the tablet is starting, so we have to wait for a couple of seconds. And now, as a last resort, what can we do? We can go over to the settings and make sure that we're running the latest version of our software. So let's open up the settings app. Now let's swipe down, and here what we need to do is we need to select the software update. It's almost at the bottom, and now click download and install. Now it will check for updates automatically, so you do not have to worry about that. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important, and if you don't, then you might have the glitches, including the no sound during calls. So we definitely want to update our software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.